Alright guys, I know I've covered this in the past, but I thought we should do a recap. Korean sauna eggs. So Korean sauna eggs are a pressure cooked egg that is given to you in a Korean sauna for like a protein. Very delicious, like baked chicken, kind of like a nutty flavor. Alright, very easy to make. You just need a pressure cooker. I'm using an Instapot. These are egg cradles that you can get at Walmart or Amazon. And some eggs. Alright, very simple to do. Put your little spacer in there, take an egg cradle, put it in there, and fill them up with eggs. So the process that does this is the Maillard effect, kind of like when you're cooking a steak on the barbecue grill and it kind of burns the crispy loveliness on it. Same thing. Now these will cook for anywhere from an hour and a half to 4 hours, depending upon how intense you want the flavors. I always go 4 hours. So the one thing I try to achieve is to get the same size egg, kind of like how you got this monster versus small one. They'll cook about the same, but I like to try to keep them all about the same size. All right, now you're just going to add some water. You want to get to just to the bottom of the first set of eggs. Hard to tell, but about like that. You don't want to run out of water. So you can see down there, it's at the bottom of the gray, the first gray line on the bottom. That's about where you want it. So about 2 cups of water. All right, the water's in. I put my protective lid. It just, for my mental safety, I just love making sure nothing clogs those holes. Put the lid on, set the timer. All right, pressure cook. Oops. All right, let her go. I will warn you, your house is going to smell amazing for the next probably 2 hours. The last 2 hours especially. Time's up. We'll cancel, let it off, and unplug it. We will release the steam and remove the eggs and get them into a cold water bath. All right, when you open these, remember, use the lid like a shield. All right, so 2 splinters, that's not a big deal. It happens. Let them cool. Let's try it out. Look how nicely these things peel. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Give us a try. Take about 2 of these and some tuna, mayonnaise, and put it on toast. Phenomenal. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing day.